This is Apple and you're watching The Green Girls TV.
TheGreenGirls.com.
Last week, we reported on a homemade hydrogen car to test whether or not we could cut our gas usage in half. With a few minor hiccups, we've finally gotten our results. Here's a clip.
These are the fuel cells. They're measuring cups for $2. And then I bought the containers at 99 cents. And then the bolts and the wires, I just bought that at Home Depot. A fuse box, a few hoses. This is the switch to turn it on. I also have a switch for the fan because my thermostat's broken. So the hydrogen is made here, and then it goes through a tube going through the vaporizer. This takes out any water vapors that's going into the engine. It goes straight, it goes around in here and into a T. It tees off for the idle vacuum, and then it goes into the air intake for high speeds, and this is for idle. Another modification I made is the fuel heater. This starting from the fuel filter, coming back, and it goes into some brass piping, and it just heats the fuel from the heat of the coolant while it's running, and it just goes back and it goes straight into the engine. Alright, that's the O2 sensor that tells the car how much gas to put in. So I'll put aluminum foil around it just to fool it from pushing in gas. So when it's hot, it's saying it needs less gas, so I'm using more hydrogen.
A minor setback, the odometer stopped working. Remember, this is an older vehicle, so we can expect a few malfunctions here and there. We originally planned on making a 2-hour, 125-mile coastal drive from Los Angeles to San Diego. But frankly, I'm not brave enough to drive this vehicle long distance, so we're going to stick with a 19-mile radius, and you're going to like it. We started from a gas station in Santa Clarita, California with a full tank of gas. Drove to Castaic, California, then back to the same gas station in Santa Clarita. According to Google Maps, the total distance is 19 miles. We then gassed up the tank and took 0.4 gallon to fill up. So, for a distance of 19 miles, 0.4 gallon was used. So this may not have been the most technical test, but we see it as a success. If you have any questions, email us at hydrocar@thegreengirls.com. Until the next project, this is Apple and you're watching The Green Girls TV.
TheGreenGirls.com.